Imagine creating stunning, professional-grade images with just a few words, whether it's for marketing, art, or prototyping. Flux.AI is changing the game with its powerful text-to-image generation models that deliver unmatched quality and speed. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Flux.AI for free to create visuals that rival the best in the industry. Let's get started. So, what exactly is Flux.AI? At its core, Flux.AI is a revolutionary text-to-image generator powered by advanced AI models. It offers 3 different versions: Flux.1 Pro for the highest quality and detail, Flux.1 Dev for developers who need customization, and Flux.1 Schnell for rapid image creation. With these models, you can create everything from photorealistic portraits to abstract art, all in a matter of seconds. There are a couple of ways to use Flux.AI for free. We are kicking off with Hugging Face first. So this is their Hugging Face space, and this is the URL. You will get this URL in the description below. Now you can see we have both models here, Flux Schnell and Flux Dev. You can try both models for absolutely free inside Hugging Face. So let's select any one of them. I am selecting Flux Dev first. Okay, now I must say this is very simple space. We don't have many options in this. You can see that we have the prompt area. Under that preview, then if I click on the advanced settings, we have some seed numbers, and you can change the aspect ratios. You can also control the number of steps. So only these options are available in advanced settings. Now I am giving a prompt to create an image of 25-year-old teacher in a classroom, and welcome to class is written on a green board. Also, I have added some other keywords like sunny weather, dynamic shot, etc. In last changing the width of aspect ratio to 2048. Now hit on the run and wait for a while. This will take some time to generate the image. I have skipped the time as it takes 75 seconds approx to generate the image, but I have to mention that waiting the time is totally worth it. You can download it very easily by clicking on download symbol. Just look at the output and how clear and exact what I want. Welcome to new class is written on the green board properly without any spelling mistake. These AI tools are getting more advanced day by day. We can create an image of our thoughts. Really, isn't this awesome? You can use this amazing tool to create images for your assignments, projects, videos, and for all other stuff. And really, I can't believe this is totally free, guys. Now let's try one more again. I am giving the prompt to create an image showing a scenario of supercars racing on Los Angeles highway at night, and it's raining. On the Sky Fast and Furious written, the ratio will be the same, and the steps is 28. So here is the output. Let's see. Wow, I can't believe on my eyes. It really generated this image. It's looking like a poster of a racing gaming. The car looks like a Nissan GT-R R34 Skyline, and another one is a Ford Mustang. This is really cool. I have also created a few more with the Flux Schnell model. Have a look at these amazing images. Schnell also generates very cool images. You can use these images for wallpapers of UR devices. It's really amazing to use your own created wallpaper. Now moving forward with another way to use the Flux.AI models to generate images is the Glif.app. With this site, we get a plus point over here in this website. We even can use Flux.1 Pro model for absolutely free. Glif.app is a versatile AI platform that allows users to build workflows, apps, chatbots, and more without coding. Its text-to-image generator feature enables you to create images based on textual prompts, offering a creative and accessible tool for visual content generation. The platform is designed for easy integration into various projects, making it suitable for both beginners and advanced users. Now to start with, first click on Build. It will ask you to sign in. So you can sign in with Google or with Discord. I am using Google to sign in. You'll see this kind of interface, and to start with, just click on this plus button over here. You will see lots of options available over here, such as text generator, image generator, and different other tools or options. Just click on Image Generator, as we have to create images from AI. After this, you will get this window. You can write a prompt in the Describe the Image box, and below it, there is an option to select the model. There are 6 models available, which is really great. You can select as per your requirement. I am selecting Flux Pro first, and changing the ratio to 16 is to 9 for landscape. Next are advanced options, steps, and prompt power. The last one is the seed. Now I am writing a prompt to create an image showcasing the scenario of a Transformers robot fighting with a sword. I will try different prompts and tweak them to generate an image according to my imagination as I want. So here we get an output, and it is really amazing. I have used Flux Pro. You can save images by right-clicking mouse button, and there is an option to save images. Just click on that to save. I have also used Flux Dev Model, and here are some outputs after tweaking the prompt a little bit. So you can play around it and use your creativity to generate images. You will get to learn new things and apply your imagination with these AI tools, and see what they have to surprise you with the outputs. I have also a few other ways, such as Google Colab to use these tools for free. I will upload another video covering that, so for that stay tuned. And if you like this video, you'll love our AI Stack weekly newsletter. It's completely free. Thank you for watching this video. Hit like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video.